What's up, girl? I'm back. How you going? Yeah, good, thanks. In today's tutorial, I'm going to go through a little mini lip tutorial using these two lipsticks here by Motives Cosmetics. Now, these are the two moisture-rich lipsticks right here. See, they got two tones through them, and this is the color that I'm wearing right now. So I'm going to go through, we're going to do some swatches, we're going to do some comparisons, and you're going to find out what these colors look like on the lips. So if you want to find out what these swatches look like, then darling, stay tuned. We're going to be moving on with lips. Now, I'm using this lip liner and it's called Dusty Rose, which is a beautiful, soft, deep brown, neutral color. And I'm just going to be lining my lips. Now, for lips, we've actually got two different lipsticks today. Now, I just got these. And what they are is moisture-rich lipsticks by Motives Cosmetics. Now, can you see how they've got two different colors? Okay, so there's that one. And then there's also this one, which is really intriguing. I've never seen this before, so I'm really interested to see what they look like. Now, these two darker colors almost look the same, which is why I really want to swatch them on my lips and see how they look. I'm going to leave this color till last. It looks like a metallic bronze color, and I think that might look beautiful with this look. But to start off with, I'm going to be going in with this lipstick and then doing this. So let's do it. So the first color is this one right here with a more orange tone, and this is called Pumpkin Spice. Let's see how this looks. So straight up, I'm thinking that this is definitely not going to match this look because there's too much orange in this color. However, these lipsticks do feel absolutely beautiful, and they are filled with a lot of moisture. They just glide straight onto the lips. Now, this would look great with a more of a neutral brown earthy tone eye, but I'm just thinking with the blue today, the blue and the orange are just clashing. It's like clash of the titans, I must say. But there you go, Pumpkin Spice. So the next color, which is the opposite color of this Pumpkin Spice here, is called Double Take. Okay, so let's see what this color looks like. Okay, so this color, again, it's a beautiful color. It's a very soft red berry color. Okay, and you can see it right there. Again, rich, easy to apply, full coverage. I would just say that it just again clashes with my eyes. I've got full-on eyes with full-on lips. So this is not something that I would wear. I would always go with if you're gonna go with a dramatic eye, I would make my lips subtle. But again, Double Take. Okay, so the next color lipstick we're going to be going in with is that deep bronze color, and then this one here, which looks like a deep red. So let's go in with the deep royally red. Okay, let's go in with that because I think I'm going to finish off with this one. Okay, so this is the color Royally Red. You can see here. Now again, it's just full on Clash of the Titans for me. But just analyzing this color, it is actually very, very beautiful. This would go with a very subtle eye. Again, it's a beautiful, deep, earthy tone red with a lot of brown in it. Okay, so what do you think? Okay, and last but definitely not least is this color here, which is that beautiful bronze color. And as soon as I saw this color, this caught my eye, and this is the color that I had in mind to complete this final look anyway, which is why I applied it last. So it's a deep, gorgeous gold bronze color. Let's go ahead and apply it. Okay, and this is that gorgeous deep bronze color, which is the color that I'm very happy with to match these eyes. What do you think, guys? What do you think? This color for my lips really picks up the bronze that I added. See, and it just looks, definitely brings the whole look together. And that brings us to the end of this mini lip tutorial by Motives Cosmetics. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and if you need any help, then sound off on the comments below. Until I see you on the next tutorial, take care of yourself. Peace and love and blessings to you. Bye.